Welcome to the free mentorship program, ladies and gentlemen. I am Ravi Kapoor. I have done a lot of weird things in my life. I have taken a lot of strange turns. I have taken radical decisions. Some of those radical decisions you may already know. If agar nahi pata hai, then you will find what I have been doing in my life in the video, and my story is there. Long story short, I have not believed in conventional wisdom. I have done what I wanted to do. I have listened to something called an inner voice, and that is actually a fact. I've been listening to it, and it has taken me on very strange paths. It has taken me on paths which normally people do not take because they do not subscribe to common logic, common convention. Doing the UPSC exam from being a bodybuilder was one of those things. That inner voice was telling me it's the right direction to go into. I went into there, and it gave me the results that were required. I cleared the exam 3 times, and I did it without too much pain, to be frank. Like I mentioned, and I saw other people going through that pain. Then it later took me on a path which led me out of the civil services. Now barely anybody will actually enter the civil services and actually quit. Nobody does that. And the society doesn't let you quit very easily, especially once you've had this job. I did that, and there was an inner voice telling me very clearly, unanimously, with consensus, that this is your path. And I resisted this inner voice, let me tell you. I have not had the courage to follow this inner voice completely, honestly, all the time. It has taken me time to accept it. But you see, once it is there, I cannot avoid it. I cannot ignore it. It has to be listened to. It has to be obeyed. I'm asking you today, if you are obeying your inner voice, if you're doing the UPSC, are you listening to that voice? Is it telling you that you need to go into this direction? If the voice is telling you that, then this is the right place, this is the right platform, this is the right guidance. I'm going to tell you everything I've learned over the years. We'll go through this mentorship program in detail. It will go on for a long time, many weeks, many months. I'll instruct you in careful detail with every email, with every assignment, and together we will reach where we need to reach in our lives. And that is a promise. Last year, 7 of my mentees cleared the UPSC exam. This year it will be around 20, and the next year it will be even more. That is why I actually quit my job in the IRS and I took up mentorship full time. Now, coming to you and your situation. This free mentorship program, first of all, is very extensive. Second, it contains a long series of emails, a long series of assignments that have been very carefully designed. The first email that you have received today, you need to go check in your inbox, see what the details are. If you want to know more about my story, you will find a video, you will find my details. You will find the UPSC syllabus. That is all we are doing today, not much more. Tomorrow I'll send you another email, we'll take things further, and it will continue to gradually increase in difficulty. It will go on like this for a very long time, right? This is going to cover much of your UPSC preparation, if not all of it. What you need to do today is very simple. Read this email carefully, get acquainted with who your mentor is, get acquainted with why I do what I do, get also acquainted with the UPSC syllabus, and I'll see you tomorrow and I'll tell you the instructions for your next assignment. Thank you.